Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Thermodynamics lab. Today we are going to perform our first two experiments of Thermolab. In the first experiment, we will perform pressure calibration by using U-tube manometer, and in second experiment, we will perform pressure calibration by using incline manometer. So this is basically the pressure measurement bench, the apparatus on which we will perform these two experiments. So in this bench, two manometers are mounted. The first one is U-tube manometer. You can see its shape, it's like U. Therefore, it is known as U-tube manometer. And the second type is inclined manometer, in which one pipe is vertical and the second pipe is inclined. So first of all, what is manometer? Manometer is a device which is used to measure the pressures. So first of all, we will discuss the different parts of this pressure measurement bench. The first one is the Bowden tube. The first pressure gauge is known as Bowden tube. You can see that here. This Bowden tube is used to measure pressure in millibar. Similarly, another pressure gauge is mounted to this bench, which is known as compound Bowden tube. Now the difference between these gauges or these Bowden tubes are that in the compound Bowden tube we can able to measure the pressure in positive as well as in negative pressure. You can also say that this is the positive gauge pressure and this is the negative gauge pressure, which is known as vacuum pressure. So as we have already discussed that this is the U-tube manometer and this is the incline manometer. So in the incline manometer, this pipe is known as U-tube 1 and this pipe is U-tube 2. Similarly, in U-tube manometer, the first pipe is the U-tube 1 and the second pipe is U-tube 2. This injection is used as a pump or simply an injector, which is used to apply pressure on the liquids present in these tubes of both manometers. Another parts are these connectors of the tubes. So this is the pressure connector of U-tube 1. This is the pressure connecting point of U-tube 2. Similarly, this is the pressure connecting point of incline manometer U-tube 1 and this is the connection or connector point of incline U-tube 2. Similarly, this connector is of the compound Bowden tube and this is the pressure connecting point of Bowden tube. So you can see that we have attached the injection or injector with the U-tube manometer tube 1 and the other pipe is attached with the compound Bowden tube. Now in this experiment, as we have already discussed in the first experiment, we have to perform pressure calibration by using U-tube manometer. So in this experiment is basically divided into two parts. We have to calculate the pressure above the atmospheric pressure as well as the pressure below the atmospheric pressure. So in first step we apply the pressure and in the second step we remove the pressure by using this injector. So let's start the experiment. First of all, place the apparatus on a plane surface like this table. We have already done that. You can see that. Now in the second step, check the level of liquid in both tubes are equal. Now you can see that in these tubes the level of water are equal. and this is basically are the scale attached to the both tubes. So then now apply the pressure by using this injector. As you apply the pressure, check the level on the tubes. Now you can observe that or see that the pressure changes the position of the liquid in both tubes. In the first tube, the level of the water increases as its height is increasing, and in the second tube, level of water is decreasing as the height is decreasing. Note that readings as well as in the Bowden tube. Now you can see that this is approximately 20 millibar. Now in this compound Bowden tube, 10 millibar error is also present. So this is basically approximately 9 millibar. Repeat this procedure 3 to 5 times to calculate the pressures. So we have completed the first part of the first experiment. Now second step is to calculate to perform the pressure calibration for the pressure below the atmospheric pressure. So steps are similar. Now in this step you have to remove the pressure from the pipes. Now you can again see that when you remove the pressure, now in this part, the pressure, the level of the liquid in the first pipe decreases and the level of the second pipe increasing. So repeat this procedure again 3 to 5 times and note the reading in the compound Bowden tube as well. So we have completed our first experiment. Now in the second experiment we have to perform pressure calibration by using inclined manometer. Now you can see that we have we connected this injector with the inclined manometer. So steps are similar. First of all, check the level of liquids in the both tubes. Liquid is same. We are using water as a liquid. Now you can see that in the first tube the level of liquid is here, and in the second tube the level of liquid is here. So these liquids on the both tubes are equal. Secondly, you notice that that in this experiment we have connected the pipe with the Bowden tube. In this Bowden tube no error is present. So we have to only calculate the positive pressure. So now apply the pressure by using this injector again. After the applying pressure, you will notice that the level of water in first tube of inclined manometer increasing, while the level of water in the inclined U-tube tube is decreasing. You can see that the value of height is 27, while the value of height in U-tube 1 is approximately 33. Note the readings as well as note the reading in the Bowden tube. This is approximately 10 millibar. Similarly, repeat this procedure 3 to 5 times and calculate the pressure on different heights, and then calculate the percentage error. Thank you.